Hey, what's going on, guys? Cody here from the Crappie Cave, Just Life Outdoors, coming at you, answering 30 questions every day this month, publishing them every day, pumping them out, hoping to help facilitate your knowledge base and your skill to get out there and dangle some crappie. Man, it's addictive, I'll tell you what. So, that being said, today's question is, what is the best time of year to catch crappie? Oh, this question. There's in my opinion, there's two answers to this question when they are polar opposites of each other. Tons and tons of people are going to tell you the absolute best time to catch crappie is during their spawn. I personally think the best time to catch crappie is the dead middle of summertime. So, let's talk about both real quick. So, spawning crappie. I think that people are getting ease of catch with best time to catch. That's just my opinion. If you want to go out and catch a limit like lickety split, no problem, super aggressive fish, they're going to eat every minnow you drop in front of them, every jig you drop in front of them, head out during the spawn. They're going to be in 1 to 3 foot of water, super aggressive, super plentiful. They're going to be up shallow, they're very easy to get from the shorelines. I love to see it. I love to see y'all filling your stringers with them. That's during the spawn. A lot of people will tell you that's the best time to catch crappie is during the spawn. I politely and respectfully disagree with everyone that thinks that. My opinion is when them fish, they get all balled up, they go out in the lake and they sink down to their 20 to 30 foot depth range and they're just chilling during the summer. You give me a nice 100, 105 degree day, water temperature like 85, 90 degrees, I'm gonna fill your skillet, baby. I'm gonna tell you right now, we're gonna fill a stringer every time, baby. Now, we do have a boat, and that limits a lot of people to how and when they can catch crappie, and I completely understand that. We do have a boat, we do have the electronics that can facilitate these actions, but I'll tell you right now, the difference between spawning and just middle of the year crappie is weight. When they're post-spawn, they finally spawned out, they're gonna be a little bit smaller in my opinion. They're gonna be empty, so you're not gonna get as much mass on them. And they're gonna be wore out. You know, they're still gonna be aggressive post-spawn, but they're gonna be slowing down, moving into their summer patterns. Now, summer fish, they're gonna be deep, they're gonna be healthy, and they're gonna be aggressive as long as you can find them at the right time of day. They're gonna be 20 to 30 feet like I said, and I'm telling you right now, they're gonna be in big pockets. They're gonna be in pockets 200-300. That's what I'm saying. They're huge. I'm about to go hook up the boat right now. I'm so excited. We're moving into summer right now, so make sure you smash the subscribe button because you ain't gonna wanna miss our summer dangles, if you will. But that's my opinion on crappie fishing and when is the best time of year to catch it. If you're stuck on the bank and you have to fish from the bank, which we all started there at one time, then yes, during their spawn is fantastic. But if you can get your butt on a boat, I'm telling you right now, summer crappie fishing is where it is at. They're gonna fight strong as heck. The fight's gonna last longer because you gotta reel them in from 30 feet deep. And they're just gonna be a healthier fish in my opinion. Hope that answers the question for y'all. Make sure y'all smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the uploads. If you enjoyed this video, I think you'll like this video and we'll catch y'all in the next one. Don't stop the dangle. Peace.